Hello, welcome to Q Tutorials. I've got a new update for you. In this video, I want to show you how you can mine for free Bitcoin cryptocurrencies without dying. This is something that will cost you nothing. It's very good for you guys. I've been busy on this why, so I decided to update my audience, my few audience, with the real thing that I will have for them, which is something that's going to help in the future. So you can see I already opened it, but on your browser you should go straight either on your phone or on your computer. You should open syiling.io. So I'm going to open this website right now so you can see it. I wish you guys to really go straight and be serious with this because it's gonna be really good for you. Alright, so let me go straight and open the website. Just visit it. Okay, right now this is syiling UI. You can see the sign up and the login and start mining, because every users who join get €5 bonus per user. You can see. So if you click, then you see right now you have to just fill your username, but I'm just giving you a sample. And these are the inbuilt technology that they have. They have softwares that are already powered by AI, which automatically mine. And if you wish to invest here, you are free to invest. But if you don't have any investment in it, you can still mine for free without any investment, meaning it requires zero investment before mining. So you can either choose any of the currency you would like to invest, and then the currency you want to mine on. So let's say, let me for example select Bitcoin from here. So you can either scroll it from the middle, just click it and select any of the currency you want to invest. Let me select Bitcoin from here. You will see. Okay, now I will set the amount that I wish to use for my purchase. Okay, let me say, okay, 50919. okay, then let's say I'm going to mine dash, so I'm going to select dash. Okay, so if I purchase that within the hashtag, this is what I'm going to get. Daily income is going to be 1%. You can see the hash rate. That's it. That's 333. Okay, 1333. You can see, like here in referral page, you after registering, you, if you wish, you could invite 10 people per first level. Then second level you only need to invite 5 people, and this includes to your bonus. This includes to your mining machine, the power that you have, because every users you invite, some might invest, some might not invest, but the more they get to their mining power increase, the more they get their benefit, the more you also get to be recognized and enhanced and be recognized very well due to the people who registered under you. So it's good to have a referral. Also, I would like you to also register through my link, because I will leave this link, and the link is below my description, and you also see it as you can see it's how it goes, because it's so simple now that I have logged in, because I already created an account. So you can see I already mined a little, which I have not completed. So it's an example of how you would mine. If you want to mine, just you can choose any of the currency you want to mine. You can either mine all at the same time, but it depends on the power, because like Bitcoin has a lot of power, which you need the full 100% energy to mine Bitcoin, and Bitcoin Cash, also Dash. But as for Tron, you do not need the full energy. You can either use full energy for speed mine, but you can either use 50%, even 10%. You can still reach a lot. Like, mining is all about patience, so you keep it up. And welcome to Q Tutorial again. Thank you guys.